Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your LBank account adds an extra layer of security to protect your assets. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Log into your LBank account. Access the LBank website and log in using your username and password. Make sure you're using a secure connection. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You will typically have the option to use an authentication app like Google Authenticator or SMS verification. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to link it to your account. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen 2FA method, you may need to enter a verification code sent to your device. Once confirmed, save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your LBank account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.